G'day. For Toolbox Tuesday, I thought I'd give a little rundown what I carry in my little caddy that I carried into jobs and that. At this end we have 3 Phillips head screwdrivers, 3 flat blade screwdrivers, different sizes, insulation tape, 2 different colours, thread tape. Here we have a hose clamp screwdriver, 19mm spanner. On the bottom here is tine measuring gauge. Make sure the tines or forks, depending on who, they're the right size, that they're legal. 17mm, 14mm ratcheting spanner. 2 14mm spanners here, one open-ended ring spanner, this one ring spanner. This one is 12, 13, and there's 11 in there. Get it out. I painted the 12mm yellow so I can find it quicker, because the 12 and 13 look so similar. And that's just a 12, 13 ring spanner. Next one, little 6-inch shifter, a couple of 10, 11 ring spanner, 10 open ring, and an 8mm. Next one, just have a few ratcheting spanners. Got 8, 10, 12, and 13. Couple nut drivers. I painted the top of the 10mm so I could see it quicker. So that's 10 and 8. And there's a 12mm in the bottom. And the next one, we go around the back here. Multi grips, 12-inch rule, side cutters. What size is that? 8-inch shifter. Sorry, it's that 8-inch shifter, 12-inch shifter. Set of pointy nose pliers. Crimping tool, stripping tool, which is king chrome, a little test light, a couple of textures to mark things, do not operate tag, another test light, set of keys, because you never know, sometimes you get to a forklift and there's no keys in it. So I've got a multitude of keys I've collected over the years to get something going. Just a Stanley knife, and also got a blade there. That little knocking stick I made years ago, just fits in there. Basically, I just give something a bit of a tap. Air blower, test lead, and in the bottom are just some little leads I've made up just to test things, join them up. Some more keys and a wire brush. So that's it. That's my little carry-all that I take in to the job if I can't be parked beside it. And it's amazing how much work you can achieve just by this little lot. The only thing I do add if I'm going to a job is probably just throw in my 3/8 socket and ratchet, and then away I go. There you go. Have a good day.